how to fix Resident Evil Requiem no licenses error fix. And what you need to do is open settings and then go over to security and then click on Windows security. There click on virus and threat protection and click on protection history. Here you'll find something like this, which will say like this: desktop EMU when release. What you need to do is click on actions and click on restore. After this, check if your game fixes. Hopefully this will fix your problem. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.